Window replacement South Congress. SoCo Austin TX is a smart investment for homeowners who want better comfort, curb appeal, and energy savings in Austin, Texas. In the heart of SoCo, South Congress Austin TX home window replacement is in high demand because older homes and updated properties alike benefit from stronger performance, better insulation, and a cleaner, modern look. From window replacement near South Congress Austin to full house upgrades in 78704, homeowners are choosing replacement windows for homes, SoCo to improve property value and daily living. Energy-efficient window replacement South Congress, Austin TX helps reduce heat gain during long Central Texas summers while improving indoor comfort year-round. Homeowners looking for high-efficiency replacement windows, SoCo often choose insulated replacement windows. South Congress Austin area options such as double pane window replacement Austin TX and advanced low-E glass packages. These energy-saving solutions are ideal for homes near South Congress Avenue, South Austin neighborhoods, and residences needing old window replacement SoCo Austin for better temperature control. Residential window replacement South Congress is one of the most requested services for houses throughout the South Congress district and nearby Austin communities. Whether you need house window installation South Congress District Austin or complete South Congress Austin TX, residential window replacement specialists for a remodel, there are solutions for every home style. Many homeowners in Austin TX seek residential window installers. SoCo, Austin TX, 78704 for dependable scheduling, quality craftsmanship, and attractive replacement window products. Vinyl window replacement South Congress. SoCo Austin TX remains a popular choice because it offers durability, low maintenance, and affordability for Austin homeowners. Affordable window replacement South Congress. Austin, Texas is easier to achieve with vinyl products that resist warping, hold up well in Texas weather, and deliver long-term value. For those searching vinyl window replacement near SoCo Austin, Texas, this option works especially well for both traditional homes and modern renovation projects across South Congress and South Austin. Custom window replacement South Congress is ideal for homeowners with unique architecture, historic details, or non-standard openings. SoCo Austin, Texas, custom home window replacement can include specialty shapes, upgraded glass, and design-matched frames that fit the character of South Congress neighborhood homes. Custom replacement windows. South Congress neighborhood Austin are especially valuable for remodels, additions, and premium house window upgrades. South Congress, where style and performance matter equally. Double pane window replacement South Austin SoCo is a strong option for homeowners who want noise reduction, insulation, and improved energy performance. In busy areas near South Congress and Riverside Austin, double pane window replacement Austin TX can help minimize outside sound while creating a more comfortable indoor environment. When paired with insulated window installation SoCo, these upgraded products make a noticeable difference in homes exposed to traffic, heat, and changing weather conditions. Window glass replacement South Congress Austin 78704 is a practical solution when frames remain in usable condition, but glass has become cracked, foggy, or outdated. Homeowners seeking window glass replacement South Congress often want a cost-effective way to restore clarity, efficiency, and appearance without committing to full replacement. In many South Congress Austin homes, replacing damaged glass can quickly improve safety, natural light, and visual appeal. Window frame replacement South Congress Avenue. Austin TX is often necessary when moisture, age, or structural wear has affected the original framing. Full window frame replacement Austin SoCo services are recommended when homeowners notice drafts, sticking sashes, soft wood, or visible deterioration. Local window replacement contractors SoCo Austin TX can assess whether a frame-only solution or a complete window replacement services South Congress Avenue, Austin, Texas package is the best long-term option. Storm window replacement. South Congress is important for homeowners who want extra protection from wind, rain, and seasonal weather events in Austin, Texas. Storm window replacement, SoCo South Austin. Texas services can strengthen older homes while preserving comfort and helping improve efficiency. For residents in South Congress, Austin, and nearby South Austin areas, storm-ready window solutions offer another layer of durability and peace of mind. Home window installation South Congress, Austin, is often part of larger renovation plans designed to modernize older homes in the area. Window renovation services. South Congress can include new frames, upgraded glass, custom trim, and modern replacement windows. South Congress that match the home's updated design. Whether you want new home windows, South Congress Austin for new construction, or old window replacement, SoCo Austin for an existing home, these services support both beauty and function. Window replacement estimates SoCo are essential for homeowners planning a project on a realistic budget. Replacement window estimates South Congress, SoCo Austin TX often consider the number of windows, frame condition, glass type, installation method, and customization options. Many property owners looking for affordable window replacement, South Congress or Best Window Replacement Company. South Congress Austin begin with detailed estimates to compare products, pricing, and timelines. Local window contractors. SoCo Austin bring regional knowledge that matters when selecting products suited for Austin's climate and architecture. A South Congress Austin replacement window company understands the needs of homes in 78704 South Congress Avenue and nearby South Austin neighborhoods where sun exposure, humidity, and style preferences vary. Expert window installers South Congress can recommend practical options for everything from insulated window installation SoCo to window renovation contractors South Congress Austin 78704. Modern home window upgrades, SoCo Austin TX, can dramatically improve the appearance of a house while increasing natural light and efficiency. Homeowners seeking modern replacement windows, South Congress often choose slimmer profiles, black frames, larger glass areas, and updated hardware that complement contemporary Austin design trends. These house window upgrades. South Congress are especially popular in remodeled SoCo homes and properties near South Congress Avenue, where style is a major priority. Window replacement near South Congress and Riverside, Austin, is a common search for homeowners who want fast, local service from trusted professionals. SoCo Austin replacement windows near South Congress Avenue are available for cottages, bungalows, contemporary homes, and investment properties throughout the Austin, Texas area. When homeowners search window replacement near South Congress Austin, they often want responsive scheduling, reliable workmanship, and long-lasting results from residential window replacement South Congress specialists. New windows for homes in SoCo Austin TX can improve resale value, reduce maintenance, and create a more comfortable indoor environment. High-efficiency windows, South Congress. Austin, Texas are especially beneficial in a market where buyers appreciate updated systems and energy-conscious features. From new home windows South Congress Austin to replacement windows for homes SoCo, modern products offer long-term advantages for homeowners throughout Austin, Texas. The best window replacement company, South Congress. Austin delivers quality products, experienced installation, and dependable customer service for every project size. Whether you need window replacement South Congress SoCo Austin TX, custom window replacement South Congress, or full residential window replacement South Congress, choosing skilled professionals makes the difference. For homeowners in Austin, Texas seeking window replacement services, South Congress Avenue, Austin, Texas, working with trusted local experts ensures strong performance, attractive results, and lasting value.